Hi, and welcome back to Miss Kate Cuttables 1 Minute Make. Today we are putting together a Halloween owl that is sitting in front of the moon. You can see that the top layer of the moon is a printed paper that is from actually Back to School Basics. So if you want to replicate that and get that on Amazon. So the print and cut just showed up. I started without it at first, so that's what this owl will look like. So he has a lot of layers for eyes. You don't have to use all of them. I think at least use the white and the black, but the other two are up to you. So he's really easy to put together. You can see that the layers are very straightforward. This owl with the moon is 8 by 8, so that gives you a reference of how big he is. He would cut out just fine, a lot smaller than this. I just made it big enough for you guys to be able to see the details. Tell me what you guys think in the comments down below if you like this owl, if you like this kind of vintagey look for Halloween. He was inspired by the old school Halloween decorations, you know, that your mom would put on the windows or what you would see at school. So hit the like button if you like this Halloween SVG, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.